Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you the truth about ceramic coating warranties. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so I'm not going to mention any major manufacturers' names on this video, but if you check their warranty stipulations, their terms and conditions, you're going to find that every one of those warranties requires you to bring your car in for an annual maintenance, and that annual maintenance is going to cost you money. Now, what happens at these annual maintenances? So in my experience from talking to other installers, most people charge as low as $150 but as high as $300 or more annually for this inspection. And what that is they're going to wash your car, they're going to decontaminate your car. Those are all good things, which of course you can do on your own. They're going to decontaminate your car, they're going to wash your car, and then they're going to apply a 6 to 12 month ceramic coating on top of your existing ceramic coating. So why am I telling you about this? So here what we do is I give you a warranty for 3 or 5 years, and typically the coatings that we sell will last longer than that, but they're designed, as well as our YouTube videos are designed, to show you how to maintain those coatings yourself, and I don't require you to come in for an annual inspection. But if you use a major brand's coating that lasts a long time, let's say for example a coating that lasts 10 years or even 7 years. So what happens is you pay X amount of dollars for that 7-year coating. Let's say it's $1,000, which would be on the cheap end, but let's say it's $1,000 for the 7-year coating, but they charge you $200 a year to have that coating maintained, where they're putting another annual coating on top every year. So really what you're getting is 7 one-year coatings. Although you are getting a great coating at the beginning, to ensure that it lasts that 7 years, they're gonna continue to coat over top of the existing coating. So your $1,000 coating, for simplicity's sake, for 7 years, that gets you through the first year, right? And then at your first annual, and then second annual, third annual, fourth annual, fifth, sixth annual, and then the 7th annual, it's going to be time to get a new coating, so it doesn't necessarily matter. But so 6 years, you're going to have $200 a piece, which is going to be $1,200 or so, and then now your coating's $2,200. Now that's for simplicity's sake. Of course, everybody's pricing is going to vary completely, but that is the truth of those ceramic coating warranties. And really the warranty is just to ensure that the coating doesn't fail. It's ensuring that you have a peace of mind. But at the end of the day, if you have an issue with your coating, you're going to take it to the installer and they're just going to put another coating on top of it. It's going to be really difficult to get warranty work from corporate headquarters. Most times they're going to say, just like any warranty, you know, that the shop maybe didn't install it correctly and it failed, it shouldn't have failed that soon, or that the coating was abused. And of course, if you abuse your coatings, they will fail early and often. But if you're taking care of your coating and it fails, it's pretty rare, but it may happen. It usually is that your coating is clogged, so when they do that decontamination wash, usually that's going to restore a lot of those hydrophobic properties to the coating that were there when you first bought it.